Hi, I'm Chi. Today I'll be sharing on how to use the Taobao app to shop for Genshin Impact merch. So I previously made a video on how to shop for official Genshin Impact merch using the Taobao website on your desktop computer. If you haven't watched that video, you can click on top to view. But I'm sure these days a lot of you are using your mobile phones to shop and browse on the internet. So this Taobao app is actually quite a convenient and efficient way of browsing and finding the merchandise that you want. As long as you know how to navigate this rather intimidating user interface. So if you haven't downloaded the Taobao app, you can always go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store to download it. You just have to search. It looks like this, the icon. Okay, so once you download it, just tap open and you'll get to the home screen of the app. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to log into your Taobao account. So previously I shared in my other video on how you can create a Taobao account, and once you've done that, you can just log in. So I will go to the bottom right where it says 我的Taobao, which is the bottommost icon. You tap it and it will go to a screen where you can log in, but I can't show you. It's my password, so the screen doesn't show anything because I am trying to log in, but I can't remember my password. What's my password? Okay, I managed to log in, and this is the page you'll see once you log in. You can see that your profile is on top, and then you have this star. You can't really see because the words are blocked, but basically it's the favorites. So if you shop for any item and you save it in your favorites, you tap on this star, you will be able to see all the items that you have saved. I don't really know what the second icon here is, but the third one here, this clock looking icon, is actually your history. So the history of items you have viewed. So if you tap that, you'll see like all the listings that you have seen yesterday, the day before. So they actually keep track of everything that you have seen. So it's good as a reference if you want to go back to see what are the items that you have browsed but you didn't save in your favorites. Yeah, okay. And of course you can always delete any of these if you want. On the top right, you can see there's this word called 管理, which is manage. So you tap 管理, right? You can select any item in your history if you don't want to see them anymore, and you can delete. The delete button is at the bottom right, called 删除. Okay, so you can tap that and then it will disappear. Okay, so this is your browsing history basically. Yes. The fourth icon here is your Taobao Wallet. If you use this, you can top up a certain amount to spend using your wallet, and I think there are some kind of like discounts if you use the currency from the wallet instead of like using your credit card or something like that. But I haven't tried it myself, so you can give it a go if you want. So that's the top icons, and now we go to the this is for 5 icons here are actually quite important because they help to track your orders. Okay, so this is 我的订单 means my orders. Okay, so this means awaiting payment. Okay, this is awaiting delivery. Okay, this is waiting receipt. Okay, this one is awaiting review. Okay, you can give a review after you have received your items. And this one is for refunds, okay, and returns. Okay, so these 5 are very useful when you have an order, pending order, so you can keep track and monitor the delivery progress. Okay, so if you go down the app, you can see more icons, but actually all of them are not really important. You just need to know a few. Like this one here with the bubble dialog box. I don't know what you call this icon. This is my reviews, and this one is the delivery address, so you can amend your delivery address here. So I am back at the home page, and now we can try to do the fun part of shopping for merchandise. As you can see, the home page here is quite packed with many things, many panels, and I think that this user interface is a bit complicated if you do not understand the Chinese language, but no worries, you can just follow this very simple way of shopping. So basically on the top right, you see the search bar. Can you see the search bar here on top? So you tap on that. You can search for Genshin merch just by typing you can try typing Genshin, but I don't think anything appears, right? Oh, it does. Genshin Impact. So you can just type Genshin Impact and you will be able to start seeing all the merchandise appear. It's like official, unofficial, everything. Okay, if you want to go to the official page, you can type in the search bar in Hanyu Pinyin, which is the romanization of Chinese language, Yuanshen, which is Genshin. Okay, and it will appear the first one. I think the first one, right? Yeah. This is the official store. The first option is the official store, so you tap that, and then you will see all the official merch from the MiHoYo TMall website, which is the same as the ones I showed previously. Okay, so you can scroll down and see everything on this page. Okay, they apparently have a lot of new items like this Ganyu what's this figurine? Yeah, she's my good friend. So I shall demonstrate how to go about adding items to your cart. Okay, so once you've selected the item you want, let's say this Ganyu figurine, okay, you can see the price is in yuan, so please convert it into your own currency. Okay, so this is a pre-order item, so please take note. Okay, you can scroll down to see the product descriptions. If you don't understand Chinese, you can just look at the pictures lah. No, it's very intuitive, right? And when you purchase this figurine, you get a shikishi, which is the artboard. Okay, So, I will demonstrate to you how to go about purchasing. Okay, I forgot. Let's say you want to buy this. What is this? Wondrous artifact, right? So I select the feather, okay, and then the quantity. You can specify how many you want here, and then you click add to cart. Okay, so once you add it to cart, they are right there, successfully added to cart, and then you click the cart icon on top to check what's in your cart. Okay, so it appears in your cart, right? So all you have to do is to check all, tap here, and then check out. So it's similar to the website, just that it looks more compressed in this app. Okay, and if you want to delete anything from your cart, all you have to do is press 管理, which is manage, on the top right here. Okay, 管理. So, and then you can check which items you want to delete. So let's say I checked this. You don't have to check all. Okay, this I just want this. Okay, it just shows everything. Okay, but if you have multiple items, you can just choose 1 or 2 to delete. Then you check that, and then you click delete at the bottom right. Okay. Do you want to delete the item? Delete. So nothing is left in my cart. Okay. So for every item listing, you will be able to see the customer reviews if they are not pre-order items. If they are pre-order items, you won't be able to see the reviews yet, but for the items that are already on sale, most likely there will be many customers who have purchased it in China already. So using the app allows you to see the reviews quickly and help you decide whether you want to purchase or not. So you scroll down to a certain listing, and you under here reviews, there are 64, as you can see here. You tap on this, expand, and you will be able to see the pictures and other things, that the comments that other buyers have posted. So if you're wondering, back at the home page, what are the other icons at the bottom? This is basically the recommendations that Taobao will give you when after you search for, let's say, Genshin merch, right? They will recommend you some other Genshin merch based on experiences of customers. So like if you scroll down, okay, you'll be able to see mostly something that's relevant, more or less, to Genshin. Okay, so you can just view this like kind of like a social media app, but more for e-commerce. Yeah, so this is quite useful if you want to have like a more customer based experience. Okay, and this icon, the middle one, is the notifications from Taobao. Like let's say they have discounts or anything, they will inform you here. This is the notifications, and then you can access your cart at the bottom as well, besides clicking on the top just now at the other page. So that's about it for the Taobao app. I hope you are able to navigate and find something that is of interest to you. If you find this video helpful, please perhaps give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching as usual, and I see you guys next time. Bye.